Good day, viewers. I'm back here again with another variable problem to solve. Okay, this is Mathematics Clinic by Tutor Please. And in today's tutorial, I'll be solving this variable problem, that is 2 to the power of x plus 1 plus 2 to the power of x equals to 24. All right. So if you want to solve this kind of problem, I'll be the first thing to do. Don't make a mistake of summing up the power. Don't forget the law of indices says that a to the power n multiplied by a to the power of n, not a to the power of, and not a to the power of n plus a to the power of n. Don't forget that. So if you're having this, you can sum up the power, okay? But here you cannot ever sum up the power. Don't forget that. So don't ever try to summing up the power here, that is 2 to the power of x plus 1 plus, this is what I'm talking about. Don't apply this law that this is 2 to the power of x plus 1 plus 2 because they're having the same base. This is wrong, totally wrong. Okay, don't try such. All right, let's move on. I want to show you how to solve this now. Okay, all right, now we're having this, and so what I'm going to do now is that don't forget that the law of indices says that a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of n will give us a to the power of n plus n. Okay, but if you look at this now, this is what you're having here now. That is, the base is a. Let's say the base is a. The power here, which is x, is m. The second power, which is plus 1, is now plus n. You can see. So I can convert it to this form now. So that means that this one will also have the same base with this. So I'm going to have 2 to the power of x, okay, multiplied by 2 to the power of 1. You know, if I apply this law now, that is a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of n, this will give me which will be a to the power of n plus n. This is same thing now, that is 2 to the power of x plus 1. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept now. Let's move on. All right, okay, now, so guys, now plus this, that is 2 to the power of x. So I'm having plus 2 to the power of x equals to 24. Okay, note that I cannot express this in form of 2 because 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2, that's 4 to the power of 2, that's 8 to the power of 2, that's 16 to the power of 2, that's 32. You can see I cannot obtain 24. Okay, so I cannot raise this to the power of 2. What I'm going to do now is that look at this. I'm having, you know, this is same thing as 2 to the power of x into bracket of 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of x, all equals to 24. Okay, now what I can do at this left hand side is that I will factorize the common factor. We're having 2 to the power of x here, we're having 2 to the power of x here. Okay, so I'm having 2 to the power of x into now I'm going to have 2 to the power of 1. Don't forget this 2 to the power of 1, which is same thing as 2. Okay, plus this one now, 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x, we're going to have 1 left. Okay, which is equals to 24. All right, now this is same thing as 2 to the power of x. You know, 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1 making 3. I'm having 3 equals to 24. All right, this is now making sense now. So I can divide both sides by 3 since I'm looking for x, and divide both sides by 3. So if I do that, is 3 will cancel, 3 here, so I will be left with 2 to the power of x, 3 here 1, 3 here 8. Okay, which is equals to 8. All right, so now you can see that a little bit there. Okay, now I will express this 8 in such a way that the base will be 2. So I'm going to have 2 to the power of x, which is equals to 2 to the power of 3, so that equal bases will cancel out. I'm having x to be equals 3. All right, and this is the answer. So if you like this kind of video, invite your friends to my channel, turn on your notification, and make sure you subscribe. Press the subscribe button. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.